Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open your dialer, and the first code will be the shortest one also. It is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, and also at the very bottom we've got the serial number. Let me show you another code which will open the calendar info, and the code is *##225#*##*#. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. And the code is *##426###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see here, we've got more info. So for example, we can check the last beat, heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me go back and let me show you basically the last code which will work here. So it is for testing mode. It is *##4636###. And as I said, we're in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information firstly. As you can see, we've got the info like the email number again, and the phone number, roaming and data service, and data network type. Of course, you cannot see anything because I do not have my SIM inserted. Here you can also run ping test if you want to. Here, after tapping on the three dots icon, you can enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back. Here we can check the usage statistics. So we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device, and we can check the usage time. So for example, the settings, I've been using them for almost 14 minutes. We can change it also to the app name and the last time used. And the Wi-Fi information, we've got the API configuration and the status. So let me pick the status, for example. We can refresh the stats here. And as you can see, we can check the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. So basically that's all. This is how to use the secret codes in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.